Today, I've got another lemon recipe for you, except this time it's lemon bread. 3 different ways. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm showing you how to make lemon bread 3 ways today. This is perfect for breakfast or brunch. It's kind of like a quick bread, but it tastes like lemon. So easy. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Now the basic lemon bread recipe is just simple and plain and full of lemon flavor. We're gonna start off by mixing together our dry ingredients. So add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour to a large bowl, along with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then just whisk that together until it's combined and then set it aside. Then we're gonna get together all of our wet ingredients. So I am adding 2 large eggs to a measuring cup here, and then, or you can use a bowl. Then I'm gonna add in 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and 5 ounces of evaporated milk. This recipe calls for evaporated milk, so make sure to get a can of that. It's in the baking aisle. Do not let it be confused with sweetened condensed milk. That has sugar added. Evaporated milk is just cooked down regular milk. So make sure and check the label before you purchase. I'm also gonna add the zest of a lemon, so do not skip that part. The zest is where all that flavor is. And then I'm also using a teaspoon of lemon extract to give it even more lemon flavor. Whisk that together lightly just to break up those eggs and get it kind of combined together. Then add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients we mixed before and just simply whisk this together until it's nice and combined. Just mix it until it's combined, don't overmix. Now that's how you make the basic recipe. It's delicious on its own, but then you can add some extra flavor to it if you want. So you can either add poppy seeds, or you can add blueberries, or there's probably so many ways that you can make this. Now, if you're adding blueberries, you can use fresh or frozen or even canned. Just make sure if they're frozen that they're thawed and drained really well, and if they're canned, make sure that they're drained really well. Then you're gonna add this to your loaf pan. I'm using an 8½ by 4½ inch. Bake it at 350 for about 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out with just a few crumbs. And once you're done and once the bread's out of the oven, it is time to glaze it. Now again, glaze is optional, but is it really optional? I don't think so. This is just a simple glaze with powdered sugar and lemon juice. You whisk it together until it's the desired consistency that you want, and then you just simply pour it over that bread, spread it on, and it is time to enjoy it. You can see how fluffy the bread is and how soft it looks. This is such an easy, quick bread. It's super lemony. It's kind of a nice twist because it's not pumpkin or zucchini or banana bread. It's something a little bit different. It's just lemony and sweet and delicious. It's perfect for breakfast or brunch. Leave me a comment and let me know your favorite lemon recipe, and keep watching for even more desserts.